Introducing Vital Power Log, or VPL, a cutting-edge device designed to monitor, control, and analyze real-time power consumption. Protect your assets, prevent failures, and ensure compliance with easy Wi-Fi connectivity. Begin by inserting your VPL into a power outlet. Then, plug in the unit you want to monitor. Now proceed by pressing the front button and holding it for 5 seconds until a flashing blue light appears. Please take out your phone and connect to the Wi-Fi network called VPL - a series of 4 digits. The password for this network is 12345678. Once you're connected, a configuration page will appear. Next, click on the box labeled X APs found and choose the access point you wish to connect to. Please enter your Wi-Fi network password in the box below, but make sure it's not the same as the 12345678 password. Then click Save Changes. The device will proceed to connect to your Wi-Fi network and subsequently show a success message containing the device's IP address. Please write down or capture a screenshot of this IP address. To access the HTTP interface, navigate to the following URL, http:// the device's IP address.
Congratulations, you successfully connected your VPL to Wi-Fi.
You can now start accessing real-time analytics on the VPL dashboard right away.
For more in-depth insights into monitoring your data, be sure to check out our next video on connecting your VPL to our VitalLog cloud. Encountering any hiccups during the setup process?
Don't worry, our dedicated support team is here to assist you in getting your device online quickly. Reach out to us and we'll have you up and running in no time.